I'm the parent of a grade 11 student who has exams on the 2nd of May. And this morning, he turned up for school and he was locked out because his hair was apparently too high. This is the same hair that he would have worn to school yesterday morning that he'd have passed the coordinator with, right? And this morning, they decided to take an action without any form of warning. Now, I think you'd have seen his hair not so long ago. And I'm telling you, the hair is not high. Yes, it's not on the scalp, but it's not high, nor is it not groomed. Mr. Marinoma uses the term groomed. I'm not someone who's anti-rule or anti-KC, right? I'm all for that. But it cannot be where somebody who's a teacher, who's not a barber or anything like that, at the gate, and then he dictates who goes in or out. This is also alleged that the boys who are footballers, the Colts boys, who had hair, who are really high and not groomed, were let in. What are you saying there?